Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll walk through the complete procedure for installing the rocker arm assembly and setting the tappet clearance on a 4-stroke, medium-speed Yanmar generator engine. Let's get started. First, we apply a thin layer of clean engine oil to the tops of the valve stems. This helps the lash cap seat smoothly and prevents wear when we rotate the engine for the first time. Once lubricated, we place the lash caps on top of the valve stems and make sure they sit correctly. Next, you can see the push rods coming out of the cylinder head, one for the intake valve and one for the exhaust valve. We check that each push rod is properly positioned inside its tappet at the bottom so there's no misalignment. After that, the rocker arm set is placed on top of the push rods and valves. At this stage, we keep the timing bolts or studs slightly loose. This ensures both valves stay fully closed so no extra pressure is applied on the threads when we begin tightening later. Once everything is aligned, we start tightening the bolts by hand, evenly, in the correct order. This prevents any side loading and ensures the rocker shaft sits flat on the head. Now we begin the torquing process. We follow the manufacturer's recommended sequence and tighten the bolts in stages. First stage, light torque. Second stage, medium torque. Final stage, full specified torque. We do this evenly in every side so that no side is over-tightened and damage the threads. While doing this, we watch the rocker arms carefully to make sure no valve is being pushed open by accident. If any valve starts tightening, we loosen the tappet nut slightly to relieve the pressure. With the bolts fully torqued, we lubricate the entire valve train. Oil is applied to the rocker arms, push rod ends, and valve stems. This ensures everything moves smoothly once we rotate the engine. Next, we manually rotate the engine using the barring gear. We check that both intake and exhaust valves open and close smoothly, and that there is no abnormal resistance at any point. Now it's time for tappet clearance. For each cylinder, we bring the piston to top dead center on the compression stroke. Using the manufacturer's recommended feeler gauge sizes, we adjust the tappet clearance, loosen the lock nut, turn the adjustment screw, set the correct clearance, and tighten the lock nut again while keeping the gauge in place. We check that the feeler gauge slides with just a slight drag. This confirms the clearance is perfect. After adjusting all valves, we rotate the engine again to make sure everything operates smoothly. With that done, the rocker arm assembly and tappet adjustment are complete. Here you can see the fully assembled Yanmar generator engine, ready for operation. If you found this procedure helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments if you want tutorials on other engine maintenance tasks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.